Did you know that a pinch of cayenne pepper could enhance your heart health, improve your skin, and offer many other benefits? This potent spice is more than just a source of heat. It has surprising advantages that can greatly impact your well-being, especially after 50. Stay tuned to discover the top 15 benefits of cayenne pepper you should be aware of. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the remarkable world of cayenne pepper, a spice cherished for centuries not only for its flavor but also for its impressive health benefits. While many use cayenne pepper occasionally for its heat, this unassuming spice is actually a powerhouse of wellness. From boosting metabolism and supporting heart health to relieving pain and enhancing skin health, cayenne pepper offers numerous benefits. Join us as we explore 15 amazing advantages of cayenne pepper that can positively influence your health, particularly as you age. Often, we overlook simple natural ingredients with significant health benefits, and cayenne pepper is a prime example. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can address various health concerns such as poor digestion, weak immunity, inflammation, and even weight management. Let's uncover how cayenne pepper can make a difference in these areas. 1. Supports heart health. Cayenne pepper is excellent for heart health due to its key component, capsaicin. Capsaicin is known to enhance blood circulation by widening blood vessels, which allows blood to flow more freely. This can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Research indicates that consuming cayenne pepper regularly can decrease LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while boosting HDL, good, cholesterol levels. In one study, participants who ate capsaicin-rich diets saw notable improvements in blood vessel health and lower inflammation markers related to heart disease. These benefits are particularly important if you're over 50, as maintaining heart health becomes even more crucial with age. 2. Boosts metabolism and aids in weight loss. One of the key advantages of cayenne pepper is its ability to boost metabolism. The active compound in cayenne pepper, capsaicin, has thermogenic properties, meaning it can elevate your body's heat production and increase calorie burning throughout the day. This is especially helpful for weight management. Research indicates that consuming cayenne pepper can enhance calorie expenditure after meals and may also help reduce appetite, making it easier to control portion sizes and prevent overeating. For instance, a study by Purdue University found that participants who included cayenne pepper in their diet consumed fewer calories overall and experienced reduced cravings for fatty, salty, and sweet foods. 3. Aids digestion and improves gut health. Cayenne pepper serves as a natural digestive aid by stimulating the production of saliva and digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more effectively. This improves nutrient absorption and can prevent digestive issues such as bloating and gas. Additionally, cayenne pepper promotes the production of gastric juices, which may help alleviate indigestion. For those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or other digestive problems, adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to your meals could provide noticeable relief. Some studies also suggest that cayenne pepper may help prevent ulcers by inhibiting the growth of H. pylori bacteria in the stomach. 4. Relieves pain naturally. Capsaicin, found in cayenne pepper, is widely recognized as a natural pain reliever. It works by depleting substance P, a chemical that carries pain signals to the brain, thereby reducing pain perception. This makes cayenne pepper a useful remedy for conditions such as arthritis, muscle pain, and nerve pain. Capsaicin is available in topical creams and patches for targeted pain relief. In clinical settings, it has been used to address pain related to post-surgery recovery, diabetic neuropathy, and lower back pain. 5. Improves skin health. Cayenne pepper is abundant in vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are vital for maintaining healthy skin. These vitamins offer antioxidant benefits that combat free radicals, minimize signs of aging, and promote a clear complexion. Additionally, cayenne pepper boosts blood circulation, which helps deliver essential nutrients to the skin and removes toxins. For individuals with acne or other skin concerns, cayenne pepper can help reduce inflammation and accelerate healing. There are even DIY face masks featuring cayenne pepper that people use to revitalize their skin and address blemishes. 6. Strengthens the immune system. A robust immune system is crucial for defending your body against infections and illnesses. Cayenne pepper is rich in antioxidants that support immune function. The vitamins A and C found in cayenne pepper serve as natural immune boosters. Regularly consuming cayenne pepper can help enhance the production of white blood cells, which are key to combating pathogens. For an immunity-boosting beverage, try a cup of warm water with a dash of cayenne pepper, lemon juice, and honey, especially during cold and flu season. 7. Promotes natural detoxification. Cayenne pepper is recognized for its detoxifying properties, as it stimulates circulation and boosts lymphatic flow, aiding in the more effective removal of toxins from the body. It also encourages sweating, which further helps in toxin elimination. Incorporating cayenne pepper into a detox smoothie or juice can enhance the detoxification process, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. 8. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can contribute to a range of health issues, such as arthritis, heart disease, and some cancers. Cayenne pepper possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate inflammation throughout the body. The active compound, capsaicin, works by inhibiting specific proteins that trigger inflammatory responses. This makes cayenne pepper a valuable natural remedy for managing chronic inflammatory conditions. Research even suggests that regular consumption of cayenne pepper may help lower inflammation markers in the body, supporting overall health. 9. Supports respiratory health. For individuals experiencing respiratory issues such as congestion, cayenne pepper can offer relief. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel from the body. This can be especially beneficial for those with colds, allergies, or sinus infections. Cayenne pepper is commonly used in home remedies to clear nasal passages and improve breathing. A warm cup of tea made with ginger, honey, and cayenne pepper can be soothing for sore throats and help ease congestion. 10. Improves blood circulation. Healthy blood circulation is crucial for overall well-being, and cayenne pepper is known to enhance it. Capsaicin helps widen blood vessels, facilitating smoother blood flow. Improved circulation enables more effective delivery of oxygen and essential nutrients to cells, which can support brain health, accelerate recovery from injuries, and lower the risk of blood clots. 11. Regulates blood sugar levels. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is essential for overall health, particularly for those at risk of diabetes. Cayenne pepper can aid in regulating blood sugar by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Studies have indicated that capsaicin can lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes by boosting glucose uptake by cells. Adding cayenne pepper to your meals may help prevent fluctuations in blood sugar, leading to more consistent energy levels throughout the day. 12. Supports weight loss goals. Cayenne pepper is highly effective in supporting weight loss objectives. It boosts metabolism, curbs appetite, and promotes fat burning. Incorporating cayenne pepper into your diet can help you feel full more quickly and for extended periods, making it easier to manage portion sizes. Additionally, the spice stimulates the release of adrenaline, which aids in breaking down fat cells and converting them into energy. A popular weight loss and detox strategy involves drinking a glass of water with lemon and cayenne pepper first thing in the morning. 13. Relieves migraine pain. Migraines can be severely disruptive, and cayenne pepper might provide a natural remedy. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper can help alleviate migraine pain by desensitizing nerve receptors in the brain, potentially reducing both the intensity and frequency of migraines. Some individuals find relief by mixing cayenne pepper with warm water and drinking it at the onset of a migraine, while others may benefit from capsaicin-based nasal sprays. 14. Promotes healthy hair growth. Cayenne pepper can also stimulate hair growth by enhancing blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow supplies essential nutrients to hair follicles, which encourages growth and helps prevent hair loss. Incorporating cayenne pepper into hair masks or oils can boost scalp health and promote thicker, healthier hair. 15. Acts as a natural food preservative. Cayenne pepper possesses natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an effective natural preservative for foods. It helps extend the freshness of food by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and fungi. Incorporating cayenne pepper into marinades, sauces, or pickling solutions can not only prolong the shelf life of homemade foods, but also add a flavorful kick. The main point is that cayenne pepper is far more than just a spicy addition to your meals. It's a versatile and powerful health booster. By integrating cayenne pepper into your daily routine, you can enhance your heart health, skin, metabolism, immune system, and more. In summary, cayenne pepper offers 15 remarkable benefits, including supporting heart health, improving digestion, relieving pain, and promoting healthy hair growth. Adding a touch of cayenne pepper to your diet can significantly improve your overall well-being. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember to sprinkle some cayenne pepper into your dishes. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.